He's just walking the fence. Now he stops. Goofball. He was all puffed up. My goodness. Come on, buddy. I'm gonna call you Slowpoke. Woo! Ruffle those feathers. Look at that. I don't know if the sprinkler's hitting him or not, but that's awesome. He's a pretty boy. Sometimes they have trouble walking on that fence. It's hilarious. Here comes Tim with the boys. Oh, what's he gonna do? Is he gonna go back?
What are you looking at?
The weed on the fence.
Oh, okay.
He's being a stud.
What, was he acting like me?
Oh my God. See, he's even walking away on that comment.
Yeah, he knows.
Oh my. Oh, is that a second one? Is that his girlfriend or is that
No,
another
that's a dove.
dude?
That's a ringneck. Put your glasses on.
Oh hush. Where? Did I miss it? Oh no, I went the wrong way. Sorry.
Put your glasses on.
Oh, he just jumped down. And then we have a, oh there, a Eurasian dove in the yard. And it just flew off. All right, I think that's all. Can we get, I don't think I can get the boys. Okay, see ya.